Hello guys and welcome back to Tomato GFX. Today we are going to talk about our file option panel, and this is our 20th lecture in the series, and you can watch the previous lecture in the playlist. So welcome back to the magical world of Illustrator, and here you can see our file menu. And in file menu, new from template, open recent files, and many more like close all, save. These are just basic and does not have that much of explanation needed. And here if you click on new, we have a new window over here. We can create a new file. If you click on new from templates, it will go to this location where we have templates in our Illustrator, which has some basic templates like add banner and presentation. If we click on this, we got some template over here for banner and presentation, and you can choose more from these options. Like I would like for business cards. Click on business card. We have all the type of templates for business cards pre-made. You can use it, you can make your own, completely depends on you. So in our basic document, or we have an open option where we can open a file select, where we can specifically find our files in this dialog box, or we can just click on open recent and open some recent files, or we can close a document, close all will close all the documents over here. And then we have save as, and save a copy. So this will be the most useful corner of your Illustrator when you are going to save. If you just simply save, it will just save normally, and you can change your name like this, and you can change the file type like PDF, Illustrator, SVG, whatever you want. And you can specifically specify your artboards when you are saving some different, like you are saving a ESP, you can choose a specific artboard and range to save your artboards. Like you can type in range from 3 to 4. I need artboard 3 to 4, and only those artboard will be coming in your save. For basics, you can just save Adobe Illustrator like this, and if you save now, you will getting this window over here, and you can just click on create PDF compatible file. And let's move on to our next option, which is save as template. So what save as template do is it will take your current file and save it as a template, so you can use it later on from here. After that, we have revert is a saved version of Adobe Illustrator document haha 2. Reverting this will be lose all your current changes. After that, we have place. We can just click on any file like haha, and now we can paste the file here. As you can see here, it is written that this file of Adobe Illustrator that was saved with PDF content to place. Actually, this file is empty, so it will not be showing it anything. I'll be just editing our file. I'll be just opening it right now. Open from recent. Haha. I'll be just creating some stuff over here for now, like a black box and a red box. Now I'll be saving it, Control S, and then I'll be opening my file. So we are back to our file, and now we will place a file. Haha. So as we can see, we didn't saved our file as PDF content here, so we cannot place the content. So let's save our file with PDF content. So we are back to haha, and we'll be saving as it on this file only, and let's save it. I'll be replacing it, and now I'll be checking this format over here so that it can be readable as a PDF format also. If we are changing it to a PDF compatible file also, it will be a better file because it will be compatible with all the different aspects in different file formats, or you can say it will be more compatible with older or newer versions of Illustrator. Now we are back to haha 2, and I'll be just going to place my, and you can see we have those squares in our icon, and if I just click on this and make it, we have our file as a place. Yeah, this is an raster image, so we cannot edit it, but it is crispy as vector because it is kind of a PDF. So you can also import PDFs over here, but this is for vector images. After that, we have export. So I'll be just bringing back my squares like this, and now I'll be just exporting. So if we click on export selection, so export selection will be only exporting our selected item, and these formats are also known by you in that export assets panel. So I won't be discussing them in a deep part. What is new here is export screens. So if we click on export screens and artboard, we have all the artboards in our scene, and now we can export them or click on full document and everything will be exported in one file. So how this works is I'll be just creating some more artboards. So these three are in different positions right now. I'll be just exporting them. So in full document, this will be exporting from our file and we don't need it. If we are creating some different artboards in the back, so we need them separately. So I'll be clicking on all, and now you can see our rotations are very clear, and we can set what type of format we need from here. Like I need a PDF. Now you can export, you can change the location from here. And after that, we have export as, and export as is a format which is giving us png, jpeg, and so many of different type of format which were not given to us in that. So if I just click on jpeg here and select our path location and then export, we will get this window over here. This is a jpeg options window. We will get different options for different files, so we can adjust our quality, and I'll be just showing you the file now. So this is our location, this is our file here, and this is how it will be exported, because now they are not artboard, they are just a one asset. And at last we will be having save for web. We also have a shortcut for it, which is alt shift control s, pretty long. Okay, so this is used for website use. So if you want to export assets for a website, which should be lower in size but should be good in quality, so we can export it from here. So jpeg high, I'll be just exporting it, and as you can see, we have optimize, two ups, original. So I'll be clicking on optimize here. If you need original, you can select original over here. If I click on optimize over here, and then I'll be just saving it on location haha 2. So here is our second file, and as you can see, it is very low in size, which can be used for many purposes online. So keep in mind about formats and everything. After that, we have package. So I'll be talking about package after we discuss all these, because package is pretty good topic and need a descriptive explanation. So we have script are some kind of plugins if you want to add some plugins in your Illustrator. So I'm not suggesting you any plugin right now, but you can search about scripts online and YouTube. So you can add new plugins, free scripts in your Illustrator, but sometimes they are laggy, some have bugs in it. So I prefer to use original, but there are many safer options also, so you can get some paid scripts also used to boost our creativity and fasten up our work. Right now I didn't added any script because this is not a promotional lectures or anything, so I cannot promote any script for you right now. And you can check out the scripts online because there are many scripts online, so you can just go through them and use them. There are many free scripts, but be careful because some scripts contain viruses, so be sure that it is a authentic source where you are finding scripts. After that, we have document setup. Document setup is the starting options which we had in the start of our document, and we got all these things in the starting also, but we can customize them here also. So here you can just set the resolution, set the vector balance, so many things, and these all are just presetted and does not require any assistance. If you want to customize now, after created your document, you can customize that now. After that, we have document color mode. So this is very simple. You can change it to CMYK or RGB. So this will set your color mode. So as you can see this red box over here, I'll be just zooming in. So just focus on this color red box, and if I click it to RGB, there's a slight bump up. That's because RGB is brighter colors and CMYK are dull. So you will see that color shift in your document, because now this will be going for printing and this won't be going for printing, and RGB will be going for digital stuff. After that, we have file info, does not need it, but yeah, you can just give some basic information about your file, origin, IPC. These are just some raw data about your file. This is a total code of your file. You does not need to go deep into that. After that, we have print, so we can print our file, and this is an A4 paper over here, so we can print our documents directly from here, and we can set the papers like this. We can set it according to our need, and then we can just print from here. So this was all the options in file panel, but now we'll be talking about package. So for packaging, the document must be saved, so we'll be saving our document right now. Now we have this package option over here. This is a package dialog box. When you click on package, you will get this. This is our folder name. We can set the location. Here is the location which is preferred by me, and we can choose what should be the items which comes in package. So copy links like link surfaces and everything, like images, shapes, everything will be packaged in that. So if I click on package, this will asking something, and now if I click on show package, here's our package, here's our links. And what is the use of package is, now you can just zip this folder like this, and now you can share it anywhere. So like this file, which is something created in our stuff on a universe, you can just share it to anyone in this world without just sending them all the assets and all. So you might be asking, like, we can share the file directly, like in this folder. We can just click on this and we can share our file from quickshare or anything we have in our computers. But no, my friend, we cannot share Illustrator files like this. If you just share this file to anyone or your friend, we will get an error, and that error will be, I'll be just showing you the error right now. So if I just delete this file right now, some files are missing. This error will be coming to you again and again because we don't have the linked files. So if your file have some raster images and some PDF content like I have, you need to package your file before sending to anyone. But if your file have just vector shapes and text written, you can just send them simply. But keeping in mind that you should have that font installed on the other system also. Like if you have written text over here, so now if I just save it and now package it, this will be packaged. And now you can see fonts folder is also added and it will contain my font. So I'll be sharing this file in the description so you can check it out and you will get the same result as I am getting over here, like this. And that's the power of Illustrator sharing ecosystem. So that's it, our file menu. We'll be talking about forward menus in a bit. So for now, goodbye, take care.